Hi everyone, so a giveaway I won arrived. I won this off of TikTok from Constantina. I will leave her page down below so you can check her out. Let me open this up and share with you guys what I won. Okay, let's take a look. Ooh, so I won a Have a Seat. How cute. I won Hee Hee. This is so cute. So here's a little card. Let me take her out. Okay, so let me take her out. So here she is. This is my second Have a Seat. This is the first time that I win one. This is so cool. So she looks perfect. Nothing looks wrong with her. She is so cute. This is Hee Hee. And then this is Pop Mart. So here it is. So thank you so much to Constantina for this. And I will leave her page down below so you guys can check her out. This is authentic. It's my first time winning one. I did just verify it and it is real. And I love it. She's so cute. I'm calling her she. And I'll pick a name some other time. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.